What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Aaron ate it over there because he don't know how to ride a skateboard. But today we're doing brakes on the NB. We're doing front and rear. I don't have rotors, but I think I'm... Oh wait, no I can't. I was gonna get them turned, but the dude that does them for us isn't working today. That lighting's bad.
Alright, let me explain. Joey got some $100 brake pads and he's not even replacing the rotors.
They're smooth, I don't need to. I'm just gonna bed them in real good. And I'll be straight. I'm gonna get rotors eventually.
Watch this tray flip.
You suck. But yeah, we're gonna do that, and then I think that's it. Oh, we're gonna bleed the brakes too. So we're gonna bleed brakes and do brakes, even though we already showed you that in another video. We're gonna do it again.
And we're about to install a Sparko steering wheel on Joey's car.
You selling a Sparko steering wheel?
Alright, let's do it.
So here's the brake pads that Joey got. Premium true friction application specific material.
Those are just the rear.
That's the rears.
Big enough to stop my mountain bike. It's fucking sad, man. But it's cute. It's cute.
What kind of car do you have, Michael?
Oh. Check it out, that FB6 right there. Stock as fuck. You know what I'm saying?
Ugly.
Yes, the window visors. Only mod there.
The camera won't even focus on it. So he got these green pads. They're like $100. They're Type NS something. They're PMU's brand. Then he just got some stock OEM rear ones. And yeah, he's about to put these on now and his car can finally stop, even though it don't stop. It's not going to stop. Oh, here's the brand that Joey got for the fronts. These are $100 on eBay.
Yeah.
Joey got them eBay pads.
You already know the deal.
And Project U.
Shout out to Brian for telling me.
He got street when he should have got track, but that's cool.
That's why it's gonna stop better than your Miata.
Man, I just got a new upgrade this weekend. The homie Miguel came through with the upgrade. I'll show you guys. It adds like 15 HP. New upgrade. Makes the car look lower. It's way faster. Turns everybody's head. My favorite mod to the car so far.
Okay guys, so we already showed you how to do brakes on another video on Aaron's car. So we're not really going to show you, it's not really going to be a how-to. But we're just going to swap out the pads, and we're going to bleed the brakes, and then we're going to be done. So we'll just show you us doing it.
Alright guys, that's how you do the driver's side. Joey's still on the passenger side. I would have been done by now. Look at him. He took the entire caliper, he zip tied it, bungee corded up, whatever you call it. So extra, man.
It's literally been 5 minutes.
Nah, he's actually making really good time.
Okay, so Aaron's undoing the
Rear
caliper bracket bolts.
No, I'm not taking off the whole caliper.
Oh, okay, he's not taking off the caliper. He's just undoing the bottom one so you can swing it open, put the new pads in, and then to compress the piston, if you guys don't know already, there's a little number 4 Allen that you have to loosen or tighten. Which way does it go?
You back it out.
Just loosen it, and then that compresses the piston.
That back one's this one down here is an 11mm, and this back one is I think a 14.
As you can see, Aaron has no gains.
It's a 17 foot. Where the 14 at?
in order to take the caliper to swing it over, you need a oh, is the e-brake pulled? Oh, disengage his e-brake. Hold on, Joey has the e-brake pulled for some reason. Goodness, man. I would have been done with this thing already. I would have been done with this thing already. Yeah, so you didn't even come over here when I said it.
Aaron's just mad because I gapped
Look
him.
at somebody did the same thing to your car that did it to mine.
Oh my god. What a retard.
There's Joey's old pads that didn't even need to be replaced.
Nope.
But he's replacing them anyways because he's a weirdo.
Because race car.
Okay. Now, I'll show you guys. That's how it goes. Alright, so I don't know if you can see, but this bolt right here, not this bolt, the one next to it, 14 millimeter.
Smaller one.
Yeah, the smaller one. You're gonna back that out. And this is how you compress the rear caliper. So you take your Allen wrench and stick it in there. And there's like there's an Allen key in there, or Allen key. This ain't a 4. It's too big.
This is a 4.5.
I need a 4. Grab one of those ones that don't have numbers on them. They're at the back. So you're gonna stick the Allen key in there, and you're gonna twist it counterclockwise, and that's gonna press the piston in. That way you can fit up the new pads. Okay, guys. So these new pads that Joey got, these little hooks right here. When I put it on the rotor, it sits too far down and it hits this dull section. It's not even part of the rotor. So we lined them up, and you can see. Like, see that gap? That's not supposed to be like that. So either he got the wrong pads or they sent him the wrong ones. So that kind of sucks. He's not gonna be able to run these back pads. But his pads that are on there are like the same thickness as these new ones, anyways. So we're just gonna run the old ones and just we're gonna bleed the brakes still. But that kind of sucks. Oh well, they were just stock OEM pads, anyways. Okay, so reassembled the rears. Now we're gonna bleed the brakes. So we're gonna start with this one, and then we're gonna go to the driver rear, and then we're gonna go to that front passenger, and then we're gonna go to that front driver, and that'll be all the brakes that you need to bleed. So we'll start with this. Okay guys, so Joey's gonna pump the brake 5 times, and then I'm gonna crack the line, and then once some fluid goes into this thing, I'm gonna close the line again. Alright, so that's how you do it, and then you do that to every single one. Alright guys, so we bled all Joey's brakes. Now we're going to put all his wheels back on and lower down the car, and then test out his new front pads only because, like we said before, we weren't able to change out the rear pads. Alright guys, so we got one more thing to do on Joey's car today. He got a Sparko steering wheel. It's Alcantara. It's really nice, actually. He actually got it on a hookup for his homie. So yeah, we're gonna put a Sparko steering wheel on his car now, because the one that he has is like super flimsy, if you could see.
It's an eBay one.
Yeah, it's that eBay life like me. But his is actually pretty bad. So we're gonna put the new wheel on right now.
Alright guys, so that's the steering wheel install. It's really easy. I use the same hub adapter because I don't have a quick release or anything yet. So for now I just use the hub adapter from the other one. And unfortunately I'm missing a screw here, so I'm gonna have to order those. They're really cheap on eBay. So I'm gonna get the hardware and then put them all on. That's how it looks. I like it a lot better, no more flex. Feels a lot more sturdy and nicer. We already showed you how to do it on another video, if you guys remember. If not, you can go check that video out as well. What do you think, Aaron?
It's ugly. No, I'm just kidding, I'm jealous. I'm about to go cop on Momo. But it looks good.